Hello friends, this is Jamal Adil. Today I'm doing a side-by-side comparison of GoPro 9 versus GoPro 8 and I'm doing a couple of tests like video results, horizon leveling, video stabilization, night shoot mode and much more. So let's go and explore. Let's do the comparison of both camera sizes and you can notice from all dimensions about body size and body length. GoPro 9 is bigger in size and its weight is more than GoPro 8. Let's check the battery sizes of both camera, and as you can see there is a huge difference in battery sizes of both cameras, and for sure you cannot use GoPro 9 battery in GoPro 8, but GoPro 9 battery life is better than GoPro 8. That's excellent. In GoPro Hero 9 Black, they introduce horizon leveling. Watch the difference when I'm changing the position of cameras. GoPro 9 footage remains stable, but GoPro 8 footage is tilting its position. So horizon leveling is cool feature in GoPro 9. They have also introduced front screen on GoPro 9, which is not available in GoPro 8. Let's jump and check the video quality result of GoPro 8 versus GoPro 9 in 4K 30 frames per second resolution. Let's make a test for the audio testing in GoPro Hero 9 Black versus GoPro Hero 8 Black. So it's a quite windy place and this place is Lake Park. So let me show you how good is the audio quality of GoPro Hero 9 and 8. So let's see. This is GoPro Hero 9 Black and I'm doing audio testing. It's a quite windy place in this lake park and its wind is too much in this place. I hope you are listening good sound. This is GoPro Hero 9 Black. Audio quality testing GoPro Hero 8 Black, and it's quite windy in this place, so I hope you are listening clear sound. This is GoPro Hero 8 Black. Audio testing GoPro Hero 9 Black. I hope you are listening good sound. It's quite windy in this place. This is GoPro Hero 8 Black audio testing. That's my favorite feature, and I am excited to show you slow motion effect, which I recorded in 1080p with 240 frames per second. night and see how both cameras perform at night. What you think, which camera perform better? Let me know in the comment section. GoPro 9 gives you a better stabilization at night, but actually both cameras fail to perform at night mode. Actually GoPro needs improvement in night mode. Let's enjoy the video stabilization footage between both cameras. Is Hypersmooth 3.0 is really good? What do you think? Now I'm going to show you result of TimeWrap. Enjoy the footage. First time GoPro introduced 5K 30 frames per second in GoPro Hero 9 Black, which is not available in GoPro 8. Enjoy the 5K footage experience. I hope you enjoyed all the comparison between both cameras. I didn't found huge difference in video result, audio result, video stabilization, but if you are interested in front screen, 5K footage, horizon leveling and more battery life, then GoPro 9 is a better choice. If you have any query, do ask me in the comment section. And if you already own GoPro 8, then I will suggest you, it's not very important upgrade, but choice is yours. If you are interested to buy these cameras, check the link below in the description. And if you want to know about laptop reviews, click on this playlist. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.